Welcome to our mini vlog. I know it's been a long time. I didn't upload any videos, short videos I mean. So here is our plants. Many things have changed in the garden, in the campus. There is my mother collecting manure so that we can plant coriander for the winter. We have decided to plant it in a box so that we can protect it from our chickens that destroys the seedlings, so it can be protected. Here it is. Then my mother cleaning rice, and then there is our chickens. These are our chickens, you can see. This is all for today, for this mini vlog. I hope you like it, and please subscribe and share and shower lots of love. Thank you.